Rust shader is for creating rust on metal surface. It's very easy. You can go to the texture, and in the surface category we have rust. It's a simple color gradient. It's automatically created noise for you that you can choose any color for this gradient, and from here you can choose the rust amount. Oh, it's very high, or lower number. So I think middle is better. The frequency actually changing the random noise of this rust. And then you can use it in a layer shader with other shader to create a rust on a metal surface.